Hello everyone, welcome to the current affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 13th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Who has become the first female Secretary of Army of United States? Indian Coast Guard offshore patrol vessel Sajag was recently commissioned by Ajit Doval. Which company has manufactured Sajag? Jyoti Krishna Dutt, who passed away recently, was the former Director General of which organization? K. Rajanarayanan, who passed away, was a renowned writer of which language? Environmental activist Sundarlal Bahuguna, who passed away, is associated with which movement? Which state cabinet has appointed guardian ministers for its various districts? Which company will acquire the Hollywood studio for $8.45 billion? Which bank has announced the launch of facility of linking UPI ID to its digital wallet Pockets? Who is the author of the book 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learning from Life Business? Samir Khedri, who announced his retirement from football, played for which country? So these were some important quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So who has become the first female secretary? Christian Wormuth. Christian Wormuth. She is from America. Indian Coast Guard offshore patrol vessel Sajag was manufactured by Goa Shipyard Limited. Goa Shipyard Limited. Jyoti Krishna Datta was the former DG of National Security Guard. National Security Guard. K. Raja Narayanan, who passed away, was a renowned writer from Tamil language. Environmental activist Sundarlal Bahuguna was from Chipko movement. Guardian ministers appointed by Assam government. Which company? Amazon. Amazon will acquire Hollywood studio for $8.45 billion. Which bank has announced the facility of linking UPI? ICICI Bank. Sandeep Bakshi is the managing director of ICICI Bank. Who is the author of the book 7 Lessons? Aditya Gupta. Aditya Gupta has written the book 7 Lessons from Everest. Samir Khedri, who announced his retirement from football, he is from Germany. Germany's capital is Berlin. So let's discuss the today's current affairs. Jagannath Thodo scheme of Andhra Pradesh focuses on small vendors. Who is the chief minister is Jagannath. Sir, YSR Jagannath Reddy. And who is the governor? Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. Option number B. Biswa Bhushan Harichandan is the governor. And here the chief minister has launched this scheme for small vendors. Vajubhai Wala is the governor of Karnataka. Jagdeep Dhankad is the governor of West Bengal. Bhagat Singh Koshari is the governor of Goa, Maharashtra, both. If you talk about Andhra Pradesh, recently Andhra Pradesh airport, Kurnool Airport has renamed its airport after U. Narasimha Reddy was a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh, and the airport name is renamed on him. Recently, they have launched Jagananna Vidya Devanna scheme. Jagananna Vidya Devanna Vidya Devanna scheme, and recently they have launched India's first government-run ambulance network. India's first government-run ambulance network, and recently Andhra Pradesh government has signed an MOU with Microsoft to train 1.62 lakh youths for skill development. For skill development. COVID-find rapid antigen antigen test kit for COVID-19 has been developed by Marseille Diagnostic, has been approved by which organization? So the organization is ICMR. ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Indian Council of Medical Research has approved this COVID-find rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19. Who is the president of Sterlite Copper recently has been appointed. So he is R. Kishore Kumar. R. Kishore Kumar has been appointed as the president of Sterlite Copper. Which state government has formed a 9-member team under the chairmanship of A.K. Rajan to look into the various aspects of NEET exam? So this is Tamil Nadu government. So the Tamil Nadu government has formed a 9-member committee, and the committee's chairman is A.K. Rajan to look into the various aspects of NEET exam. If you talk about Tamil Nadu, who is the chief minister? Newly appointed M.K. Stalin. M.K. Stalin. Recently they have launched a unified command scheme. Unified command scheme by Tamil Nadu government. And who is the Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu? Chief Justice, his name is Sanjeev Banerjee. And who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? Banwari Lal Purohit. Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. World Day Against Child Labor Day is observed on which day? So this is June 12. So 12th of June is observed as World Day Against Child Labor. Central government has allocated 10,870 crore to which state under Jal Jeevan Mission for the financial year 2022? So this is Uttar Pradesh. So recently central government has allocated 10,870 crore for Uttar Pradesh state under Jal Jeevan Mission. If you remember, recently 2 days before, Maharashtra has approved 7064 amount, and Gujarat government has got 3411 crore rupees for Jal Jeevan Mission for 100% tap water connection. If I ask you, which is the first state to achieve 100% tap water connection? That is Goa. Goa has did it first, then Telangana, then Andaman and Nicobar, and fourth is Puducherry. So these 4 states and union territories has achieved their 100% tap water connection, and recently Uttar Pradesh government has got 10,870 crore. And who is the chief minister of UP? Yogi Adityanath is the chief minister. Here we have Dudhwa National Park, or you can say Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, and recently they have launched affordable rental housing loans, and they celebrate banana festival, banana festival. And if you talk more about Uttar Pradesh, recently they have launched Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana, Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana, and they have a set up a center for excellence in hockey. A center of excellence in hockey was set up in Uttar Pradesh, and they have launched happiness curriculum, and um, unique gift scheme, and unique gift scheme by Uttar Pradesh government. The Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has inaugurated the 200 oxygenated bed COVID hospital at Bina in Sagar district along with which minister? So this is our petrol minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Petrol minister Dharmendra Pradhan. So the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Singh Chauhan along with the petrol minister Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated 200 oxygenated bed for COVID hospital. In this there will be 200 beds for this. And recently, who is the Chief Minister? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Who is the Governor? Anandiben Patel. And if we talk about Madhya Pradesh, recently they have launched Ankur scheme. And recently they observed Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme. Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme. And in Madhya Pradesh, Kuno National Park, they are going to set up cheetah in this Kuno National Park. And recently they have launched Ahar scheme, Ahar Yojana, to provide free food for the poor. And if you talk about Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court, who is he? He is Mohammad Rafiq. Who is the Governor? Anandiben Patel. And recently they have launched Corona Warrior scheme. Corona Warrior scheme has been launched by the Madhya Pradesh government. And we have Satpura Tiger Reserve. Satpura Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Ayush Minister has launched which mobile app for 7th International Day of Yoga? So this is Namaste Yoga app. Namaste Yoga app has been launched by Ayush Minister. Who is he? Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju has launched this Namaste Yoga app on the 7th International Yoga Day. And Yoga Day has been launched by our Prime Minister Modi. And when do we celebrate? We observe on 21st of June. 21st of June is observed as International Yoga Day. Rebecca Greenspan has been appointed as the first woman head of which organization? So this is UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, whose headquarters is in Geneva. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development has appointed its first woman head, and her name is Rebecca Greenspan. and its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. In Switzerland. In Switzerland. Which company has partnered with Telangana government to lead medicine from the sky project? So recently Telangana government has launched this, but now Flipkart has signed an MOU with Telangana government to lead medicines from the sky, or you can say from drone. From drone, they will use these drones to deliver medicines to the hospitals in this COVID-19. Who is the chief minister? KCR. And who is the governor? Tamilisai Soundararajan. Tamilisai Soundararajan. What is the capital? Hyderabad. If you talk about chief justice, her name is Hima Kohli. And Hima Kohli is the only female chief justice of a High Court. Hima Kohli is the only female chief justice of State High Court. And if you talk more about Telangana, recently they have launched Yadadri thermal power plant. Yadadri thermal power plant, and recently Telangana observed their statehood day on 2nd of June, and recently it was its 8th statehood day. Which IIT has announced the launch of its new center for the digital health with support from Koita Foundation. So this is IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay has launched its new center for digital health with support from Koita Foundation. So remember this, IIT Bombay. Which state government has launched DBT mobile app for fund transfer? So this is Karnataka state. So Karnataka state has launched the mobile app DBT just for fund transfer. And remember some of the national parks in Karnataka: Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, Anshi, Nagarhole, and Kudremukh. Karnataka has the 31st district, which is called Vijaypur district. Vijaypur is the 31st district of Karnataka, and recently they observed Hasarghatta scheme. And who is the chief minister? B.S. Yediyurappa. And who is the governor? Vajubhai Vala. And what is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. The silk city, or you can say the space city, garden city of India, Karnataka. Who has written the book Home in the World? So this book has been penned down by the famous writer Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen's book The Home in the World has been written by Amartya Sen. Straight and forward question. Who has become the first Indian to qualify for Paralympic Games in Taekwondo? So this is a martial art. Taekwondo is not a city, it is a martial art. And recently Aruna Tanwar has become the first Indian to qualify for Paralympic Games, and she is from Haryana. Remember this also, she is from Haryana. If we talk about Haryana, who is the chief minister? Manohar Lal is the chief minister of Haryana. Recently, Pooja Rani and Sanjit Both of them are also from Haryana. Remember this. They have won gold in men's and women in Asian Games. In Asian Games, which was held in Dubai. They won gold medal in men category and in women category, and both of them are from Haryana state. Haryana. GC Chaturvedi has been reappointed as the part-time chairman of which bank? So GC Chaturvedi has been appointed as the part-time chairman of ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, who is the chairman? Chairman is Sandeep Bakshi. And if you talk about the headquarters, it is headquartered in Mumbai. HDFC Bank also headquartered in Mumbai. State Bank of India also headquartered in Mumbai. And Bank of Baroda headquartered is in Vadodara. In Gujarat. It is located in Gujarat. So these were the current affairs of 13th of June. See you on 14th of June.